The inflation has challenged me to come up with a meal plan that will last us a month without breaking the bank. Hello God's creation, it's another beautiful day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. How are you guys coping with high inflation? How are you managing? Do you have kids, family, or you are living alone? Is it that imminent with you? Today I've done some grocery shopping that will last us a month. I need to meal prep and batch cook some of the meals and see if I can really save some coins. I'll be more than happy if you guys tag along. The total amount of money I used for both the grocery from the marketplace and the supermarket was 9,500 shillings. I'm making rice cake, also known as vitumbua, in this video. And if you would like me to explain what I'm doing right here, please comment down below. I'll make a video on this, solely for this only. My monthly grocery haul doesn't have meat, which we rarely eat, milk, which I buy from a farmer directly, and I usually buy it on a weekly basis and freeze it, and maize flour. You know, I'm a farmer. I do maize farming. I have a whole bag. I usually keep a whole bag or two for the whole year. It will last me a whole year, which we usually meal a little at a time. I just take a little and go to the milling shop and then meal it. I'll leave the list of ingredients that I've used in this recipe in the description box, so be sure to check. Don't ask in the comment section about the ingredients when you have not checked the description box. As the mixture is proofing, let's go and make the bed. I usually take out the bed sheet, take out the blanket, so that the bed gets some air. I don't know why, but I usually love to do that. It's like refreshing the bed. Before I even start with meal prepping, I have to clean this fridge and let it dry. And the first thing I do is remove the removables and go wash them with soap and water. And I'm going, as I'm doing that, I'm leaving the fridge to defrost. There's no way I'm going to clean it with the frosting in it, so I need it to defrost. And these ones I'm going to clean and leave them in the utensils rack to drain the water. If it doesn't drain properly, I'll just come and wipe it with a clean kitchen towel, dry clean kitchen towel. The insides of the fridge I'm going to clean with this this kitchen countertop cleaning, whatever, that towel. Yes, I'm going to wipe it up. I'm not going to put soap on it, but that towel I'm going to use soapy water. Yeah, I think you're getting what I'm saying. So our vitumbua batter is ready. It has proofed enough, so we're going to make this, then go back and see if the fridge is dried completely. I think this is self-explanatory. I don't have to explain anything. You can see what I'm doing, but if you need more explanation about what I'm doing, you'll have to comment down below and tell me you want a separate video on this. This is the meal plan I'm working with today, and I hope this works because I need to use this and reuse. All lunches will be it will be leftovers, not takeovers. It will be leftovers. So what I'm planning for is dinner and breakfast alone. So lunches will be leftovers, and I've got some grocery list of what I need, and most of the things that are written down there I already have. The fruits, I'll be buying it where I'm staying at the local Mama Mboga stall. It's the same price. I'm going to fry onions and tomato puree as a whole for the entire meal. Then I'll separate it afterwards into 4 because I have four types of beans. Let me call them beans because I don't know what else I'll call them, but I think they are beans. Yes, I have 4 types. So I'm going to fry the onions and the tomato puree, and the tomato puree I pureed it with garlic and ginger in it. So as it cooks, after it cooks is when I'll divide it into 4 and then add other ingredients such as the green pepper and carrots. So for the beans I need the carrots to be in chunks, but for the lentils I like it when the carrots are grated or shredded. Yeah. I managed to get 11 meals out of the entire batch of beans, and I think it's worth, because it's almost 2 weeks. It will last me almost 2 weeks, and that is good. It's better than nothing. And I'm using a fridge. I don't have a freezer, fridge, whatever you call that. My freezer section is so small, so there's no way I can make an entire monthly freezer meal. So we manage whatever we have. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. See you in the next one.